This new Cloudflare feature allows you to block AI scrapers. You can block bots from scraping your content for AI applications. So to get to this feature, add your website to Cloudflare if it is not already on Cloudflare. Once you've added your site, go to the website and then under security, click on bots and you can enable block AI scrapers and crawlers. This is going to block content crawlers that are notorious for collecting your data and using it to train AI. All right, so that's it. If this is something that you want to enable for your website to ensure that your content is not being scraped, then you can use Cloudflare for this. You can learn more about it. So if you click there on learn more, just come here and read this. It's also important to note that there are verified bots. So most of these are usually search engine bots. And if you want to see the list of bots that are verified and can be allowed through your Cloudflare proxy, you can click there and you'll see a list of all the verified bots. So you can see there are many bots. Most of them are search engine bots. Some of them you can see are even AI crawlers. So the verified bots can be allowed through your traffic. All in all, you can turn this on to reduce the number of scrapers trying to scrape content from your website.